Hi, it's Dennis here from casasandculture.com. And today I wanted to introduce to you our website, which is www.casasandculture.com. One of the things that makes us a little different is that we give our customers the ability to book instantly, to do an instant book of a room at a Casa Particular in Havana. There's no need for emailing back and forth, doing the back and forth email and seeing if there's availability, only to find out that perhaps it's not available. We put all that stuff away, and you can avoid all that back and forth frustration. So in about 5 minutes, you can book with us and know with confidence that you have a booking. You get our system automatically sends you a confirmation email with everything about your stay. You can email us if you wish, and we are certainly happy to answer you there. We also have the ability to chat with us live. We have a chat feature right here on our site, as you can see down here. We are there quite most of the day, but there certainly are times when we are not available. But you can certainly find us there, and when we are at our desks and available to chat, we certainly will chat with you. So we're trying to make it very easy and simple and fast for you guys to be able to book accommodations with us. The Casa hosts, they're our friends. We've met them. We spent time in their casas and discussing their business and how they want to proceed. So we have a unified way in terms of how we're working. Another big part of our website is the culture aspect of Cuba. The culture in Cuba is different from anywhere else in the world, and we like to celebrate that. One of the things we love is the arts and culture side of that world, and so we do interviews and articles and lots of information to share with you. So we've got interviews with ballet dancers, painters, other artists, and chefs. We have lots of stuff planned. It's not all up there yet. We're still working on a lot of our content, but we're slowly and surely getting it out there. Of course, we're also going to have lots of travel tips for people going to Cuba. So what should you bring to Cuba? How much money should I bring on a trip? How does tipping work? Safety, all these things we are going to address. And again, they're not all up there yet, but again, we're slowly getting them out there. To book a room, it's very simple. You can simply scroll through here and select a casa that you wish. You can click on an image here, and it will take you right into that site. You can click on the image or, the book button, what have you, the title here. That'll take you right into the Casa specific website. This is Casa Vegas 66, and you simply just go ahead here and click the book button and enter in your dates. Hit search. The system will come back with a bunch of dates available for you, and you can select your rooms. I'm not going to walk you through the specifics of this. It's pretty straightforward. You do have to pay for your stay in full. That's how our system works. But once you do that, as I mentioned earlier, you will receive a confirmation email right away from our system, and at that point, you're all booked. And I think that's all I wanted to tell you today. Our website is going through some changes. We have a whole new design coming up, but at this point, I wanted to share this portion with you at this point, just to get you started. So there you have it. So you can do instant booking with us, and your reservation will be as good as gold. All right. Thanks for listening, and thanks for watching. Talk soon.